Let's make the Kramble from Kraken Rum. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a lowball glass, and I'm going to add 4 to 5 blackberries into the glass. I was tempted to cut one in half to split the difference, but what would I do with half a blackberry afterwards? I don't know. So I'm going to muddle these in the glass. And done. I'm going to set this aside for a moment, and I'm going to put my muddler someplace where it doesn't roll in front of the camera again, and I'm going to get my shaker. The Kraken likes to use parts. I'm going to assume when they say parts, they mean ounces. So I'm going to put 1 3/4 ounces of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum into my shaker. 1 3/4 is something in metric units, and I'll put that in the subtitles down below. 52.5 milliliters. Ha, got it. Half an ounce, or 15 milliliters of Crème de Cassis. And it is a French word. I don't speak French. If I mispronounced it, let me know in the comments down below. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. And this is a black currant liqueur. Finally, 1/4 ounce of lime juice. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. No, lemon juice. 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. Get it right, Jer. Fresh squeezed, anyway. Now I'm gonna go get some ice. Now that I have my ice, I'm gonna set my shaker aside for just a moment. And I'm gonna get my hammer and my Lewis bag. Louis bag? Lewis bag. And I'm gonna beat the snot out of this ice with you in a moment. I'm gonna take the crushed ice and I'm gonna put this in my shaker. Some of it in the shaker. And I'm gonna give it a shake. Just a quick one. Open pour into the glass, and I'm gonna top with some more crushed ice, so I'll be right back. More crushed ice, I'm gonna top the drink off with that. And since I'm using a French ingredient, would this be a French Lewis bag? Is that a Louis bag? I don't know. And finally, the garnish. A couple of blackberries. And there you have it, the Kramble from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Probably be easier with a straw, but it's still good.